Good morning, student of class 5. How are you, student? I hope you all are fit and healthy and enjoying your teaching from home. So, student, only 9 days are left for your exam. Do hard work and study all the subjects. So, student, today date is 16 and I am teaching you chapter number 16. Is it clear? I am teaching you chapter number 16 and we have, before starting the book exercises, let recapitulate what we have done in our previous video. So student, in our previous video we discussed, student, keywords of this chapter, and after that we discuss things to remember of this chapter. Now today let's discuss the book exercises of the chapter. So all of you take out your book, open page number 99. Question number A, tick the correct answer. These are MCQ questions, student, and for one question there are 4 options are given and you have to choose the right option. Is it clear? So note down the book exercise and you have to complete book exercises in the book only. Let's start with question number A. Name of the chapter: The Great Indian Desert. Question number A. Question number A, tick the correct answers. The climate of the Thar Desert is quite okay. So in the first question, student, it is asked which type of the climate is in Thar Desert. Okay, because the great we study in chapter number 6 the physical division of India, that is the Great Indian Desert. Okay, so the options are wet, B is a harsh, pleasant, and D is none of these. Okay, So student, the climate of the Thar desert is quite, what type of a climate we find in this desert area? Option number A, wet. This is totally not possible, because from the very beginning of the chapter I am explaining one thing again and again. See how any area change into a desert when that area receive very less rainfall or no rainfall. ठीक है, when any area receive very less rainfall, so that area is known as desert area. So in this area rainfall is very less, so the soil is not wet. Is it clear? Option number C, pleasant. It is also not a right answer, because hardly we see vegetation in desert area, because due to the scarcity of water. water क्या है, बहुत कमी है पानी की. वेजिटेशन यहाँ ज्यादा देखने को नहीं मिलती है, हरियाली नहीं है ज्यादा. ठीक है, बहुत से पेड़ नहीं है. ओके, सो और ये कंडीशन प्रेजेंट वाली कहाँ होती? व्हेन देयर इज अ गुड रेनफॉल इन दिस एरिया. तो इस एरिया में रेनफॉल तो बहुत अच्छी हो नहीं रही है. ठीक है, नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, यस, द क्लाइमेट इज वेरी हर्श. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सर्वाइव इन दिस एरिया. इज इट क्लियर? इट इज very difficult to survive in this area. That is the reason the climate is harsh climate in this area. This is the right answer. Note down the answer. Second question, the ship of the desert is, the ship of the desert is, question number 2, option number A, the ship of the desert is elephant, B, donkey, C, camel, and D, horse. So these are the name of the animals, and we know that camel is known as the ship of desert. Okay, and after the unique feature of the sandy soil, that it absorbs heat very fast and it cools also very fast. So option number C is right. The vegetation found in the desert region consists of kikkar, babul, cactus. Yes student, all these are the name of the trees which are found in Thar desert. Next question, a sandy area that become fertile is called it oasis, waterfall. So note down. So student, let's start with question number 3. The vegetation The unique feature of the unique feature of the sandy soil is option A, it absorbs heat. Option number B, it cools fast. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, none of these. So, student, the unique feature of the sandy soil is, I already explained you that the sand become heat very fast, and at the same time when there is no sunlight, the sand cools also very fast. Is it clear? Sand heats also very fast, and at the same time when there is no sunlight, so sand cools also very fast. In winter season, nights are very cold in this region, that is your Thar desert area. So what is the answer? Both A and B is the right answer. Both A and B is the right answer. Now see question number 4. The vegetation found in desert region consists of dash. The vegetation found in desert region consists of kikkar, babool, cactus, all of these. So student, as we know, it's a desert area, So rainfall is very less in this area. Rainfall is very less in this area. So student, the vegetation found in desert region consists of kicker, babul, cactus, all of these. Yes student, all these types of a trees you will find in desert area. Okay, so right answer is all of these. Fifth question, a sandy area that becomes fertile is called it. A sandy area that becomes fertile is called it dash. Option number A, oasis. Option number B, waterfall. Option number C, bubble. Option number D, lagoon. So student, a sandy area that become fertile, डेजर्ट की बात कर रहा. ओके, सो दैट एरिया इज नोन एज डैश. सो लेट स्टार्ट विद ऑप्शन नंबर बी, वाटरफॉल. वाटरफॉल का डिस्कशन हमने पहले चैप्टर में आपके संग किया है. वाटरफॉल फ्रॉम द हाइट, माउंटेन से वाटर नीचे गिरता है. ठीक है, और सबसे इंडिया का जो सबसे ऊंचा वाटरफॉल है जैसे कि जॉग फॉल, मैंने आपके संग डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है, तो दिस इज नॉट ए वाटरफॉल. बबूल, नेम ऑफ द ट्री. ओके, एंड लेगून, लेगून्स आर द लेक्स ऑफ सॉल्टी वाटर. जब आप लोग को कोस्टल प्लेन्स, वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स बता रहे थे एट दैट टाइम्स, आप लोग को ये डिस्कस मैंने किया था. ठीक है, गुजरात कोस्टल प्लेन्स था, वेस्ट में था ना, कौन कौन कोस्ट थी, और मालाबार कोस्ट थी. सो व्हेन आई एम डिस्कसिंग मालाबार कोस्ट विद यू एट दैट टाइम, मैंने बताया था बैक वाटर या लेगून्स, बैक वाटर लेक या इन्हें लेगून्स बोलते हैं, एंड दे गेट सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द सी. ये क्या है, खारी पानी की झीलें हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस इज आल्सो नॉट ए राइट आंसर. राइट आंसर इज ओएसिस. ओके, फर्टाइल डेजर्ट एरिया में ऐसा लैंड एरिया जहां पे underground water comes on the surface, and you will see there are many villages around this area. ठीक है, जहां ऐसा होता है you will find there are many villages are near this area. So oasis is the right answer. Now question number B, open page number 100. fill in the blanks. First question, the Thar desert lies between the Thar desert lies between Thar desert beta lies between Gujarat, lies between Gujarat गुजराती से है ना, हाँ, गुजरात, गुजरात, पंजाब एंड, देखो गुजरात एंड पंजाब भी करोगे लेकिन फ्यू पार्ट्स है बॉर्डर पे है तो हरियाणा भी लिख लीजिए आप लोग। नोट डाउन, ठीक है। थार डेजर्ट लाइज बिटवीन गुजरात पंजाब एंड हरियाणा, ठीक है, क्योंकि इधर क्या गुजरात में इसके एक्सटेंड कर रहा है और उधर पंजाब और हरियाणा में एक्सटेंड कर रहा है, और बाकी सारा किस में है, राजस्थान में, जो बीच वाला पार्ट हुआ इसका, और इधर से अरावली हिल्स है, वो हिल्स हैं, ठीक है। अब देखो इसमें अरावली हिल्स के जो हिल्स हैं जो राजस्थान की तरफ है वहां देखो वाटर बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, और जो वेस्टर्न पार्ट, जो अरावली के, जो पार्ट अरावली हिल्स का डेजर्ट की ओर है, देयर रेनफॉल इज वेरी लेस, एंड विच पार्ट इज टूवर्ड्स द प्लेट्यू, जो पेंसुला प्लेट्यू पढ़ाया था, इन दैट पार्ट रेनफॉल क्या है, मोर है। इज इट क्लियर? इन दैट पार्ट यू विल फाइंड rainfall percentage is more, but the part of the Aravalli hills which is on the desert side, their rainfall is very less, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the nomads, no sorry, the Rajasthan canal brings water from, बेटा हमने बोला राजस्थान कैनल, इट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट विच कैनल, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंदिरा गांधी कैनल, ओके। So it brings, the Rajasthan canal brings water from which river? River Satluj. It brings water from which river? That is river Satluj. Brings water from dash to the desert. ठीक है, You can also write Satluj river. Canal brings water from the river Satluj to the desert. Okay. Rajasthan canal means we are talking about Indira Gandhi canal. Okay. So the Rajasthan canal brings water from river Satluj to the desert. To the desert. Next, the nomads. The nomads of the Thar desert. The nomads of the Thar desert. Okay. Nomads of the Thar desert are called the nomads means student people who move from one place to another in search of food, and they are very good in making the things of iron. Is it clear? So they are also known as Banjaras. They are known as Banjaras. Okay, note down. Now next, question number 4. The river that flows through the Thar. The river that flows, okay, through the river that flows through the Thar. What was the name of the river? Okay, your answer is right. Luni. Luni was the name of the river. Next question is, a camel has dash and dash feet that help it to walk, that help it to walk on sand. So what? Broad. A camel has broad and padded feet. ये धसते नहीं है बालू में, ठीक है. Camel has broad and padded feet that help it to walk. Okay, they can walk in the sand. Their Camel has broad and padded feet. They can very easily walk on the sand without sinking. ठीक है, सिंकिंग मतलब होता है धंसना, तो कैमिल के पैर जो ऐसे होते हैं वो बालू में धंसते नहीं है. ओके, सो ए कैमिल हैज broad and padded feet that help it to walk on sand. Okay, thank you student.